How to see all participants in Google Meet using your phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see all the participants in a Google Meet using your phone. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone. As you can see, I'm already in a meeting. Now, look for the three dot icon at the bottom right of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click it, see Add Others. This will bring up list of all the peoples that are currently active in a meeting. As you can see, I am the only one here, so it is not being shown. But if other people are present in the meeting, it will show you right here. And that's it. You can now see all the participants in your Google Meet session. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.